All right. This is a screencast to help students and substitute on May 1st, 2023. This is the first video for the first block, Studio Directing and Performance. So students are over here working on a cool Premiere Pro effect. So this is a new assignment for them. They just took their certification exams. We had 5 students get their certification in this class last block or last week, and super proud of them. And a few more are really close, and we're going to have another attempt to take that test before the end of the semester. Okay, so this is a little activity where they can go back into Premiere. We have some students out for AP testing, so there should be enough computers for each student to be on a computer and do this alone. So there is this is an individual assignment. So I have a YouTube video here that shows how to make 5 easy music video effects. Now you can grab videos that you've already shot, so you can have your own clips that you have from a previous assignment or B-roll that you've gotten around class, or you can download videos from mixkit.co, and you would have to go to video here and then look for videos that are download ready right here. Okay, the ones that are green, these are paid subscription. So you could pick something like this. And there's 5 effects here, and you get to pick 2 of them. So this one right here has step-by-step instructions on how to create. They talk you through the effects controls right here. So pick 2 of them, apply them to some videos from Mixkit or your own, and submit a folder showing the exported video and a screenshot of your timeline. Should be a fun little project, and you could learn how to do a nice little effect that maybe you could use on a end of the year video coming up. It's due at the end of class. There's plenty of time to do this in an 84-minute block. It's a 5-point. Let me change that here real quick. This is a summative points. So this is a 5-point assignment. So 1 through 5 right here, easy peasy. And good luck.